So just going for a wee walk over the hill again with Bill. So it's rained for a bit here, and this soft shaley stuff has come down, and look what we got. We got a lovely crack in here. Now, I'm no professional geologist, but when this gets wet, it gets very, very, very crumbly, very soft. I mean, oh, there's another plane coming in. So, like I say, I'm no professional geologist. In fact, I'm not very professional at anything. Not even an amateur geologist. In fact, I'm so unprofessional, I'm not even an amateur. Let's give this a pull, see what happens. Great. So that crack continues all the way down in there. Look at the little tree roots that have gone into it. No wonder it's destabilised all these roots. I might not do any more. Don't want to bring the whole thing down on top of my head. Anyway, we'll carry on for a walk.